you doing? My name is Brian Aloe Dream Tendery. I'm a professional dancer, actor, personal trainer, so-and-so. And the way my hair relates to all these things is I didn't have an image before. I just had a basic Caesar. I'm part of a dance trio. My partner has a perfect hot top all the fucking time. And then my other partner has braids. And their hair is always great. Mine's just basic. And luckily, I just let my hair grow out, and my hair actually became, I think, my entire image. And then as an actor, right now the film industry seems to be shooting everything from the 70s and 80s. So I did a lot of work off my hair just being naturally as it is. So I look like I belong in the 70s and 80s. So my hair is a big part of that. And I like to feel comfortable. I'm not comfortable with just anybody touching my hair. So I put coconut oil. Sometimes I might mix it up with a little bit of olive oil, involve that, a little bit of shea, but rarely. And just keep with the coconut oil just so I can get the pick through it. All my black people understand the nappiness. I guess I keep it that simple. Even dance-wise, I've come to do movements that incorporate my hair. My hair has become an extension of my body. So my hair is a large part of everything that I do. It's a large part of me. My vessel is incorporated with all that I incorporate myself with.